So how to get a DVLA share code? So to get a share code for your UK driving licence, it's very simple to do. So first step is you want to head to the government website and you want to come to this web page here which says view or share your driving licence information, but I'll also leave a link below in the description. So in order to use this service, you are going to need your driving licence number, your national insurance number, along with the postcode on your driving licence. So make sure you get all that information before continuing. But once you've got all that information, you simply want to select Start Now. Then from there, it opens you up to this page here, and you simply just want to go ahead and input that information. So that'll be your driving licence number, your national insurance number, and the postcode that your driving licence is registered to. Then once you've done that, make sure to give this a read, and if you're happy, you can confirm by ticking right here. Then from there, select View Now. Then once you've done that, it should sign you into your driving licence dashboard. And nice and simple, you simply want to select Get Your Check Code. And then from there, select to get a code. And there you have it. And you should now receive your 8-digit check code. Keep in mind your share code is case sensitive, is valid for 21 days, and it can only be used once. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.